Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making the Strawberry Shortcake tumbler tutorial using a toddler's sippy cup, stainless steel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. All the items I used for this tumbler will be listed in the description below. Y'all have any comments, y'all be sure to add it at the bottom and I'll get to y'all as soon as I get to see it. Again, thanks for visiting my channel. Okay, we're going to start with a 12-ounce Sippy that I got off of Makerflo. And we're going to sand it down really good to get all of that extra, I don't even know what it is, that's on the shine. You want to take the shine off so that your paint and your glitter adheres to the tumbler really well. So we're going to do that. We're going to get it all scuffed up and paint it. And I won't bore y'all too much with talking, but if y'all have any questions, y'all be sure to link them down in the description. I'm wiping it down with 91% alcohol, and you'll see all on the napkin, all of that residue that I sanded off of the tumbler. All right, so now we're going to use this FolkArt matte pink frosting paint that I got at, I believe it was Hobby Lobby. And we're going to paint the entire tumbler using that Wet n Wild brush that I got at Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to get some of this, it's Recollection specialty glitter that I got at Michael's, and it's called Queen of Hearts. And I'm only going to put a little bit, sprinkle a little bit on the tumbler. I'm not trying to make this tumbler too heavy because it's for a infant. And you know, with epoxy, the cups, it makes the cups heavier. So I'm just adding a little bit of dimension with this more chunkier glitter, and then I'll go over it with a finer glitter. Okay, so now we're going to use the glitter guy. It's called Mochi. It's a really pastel iridescent fine cut glitter, and I believe it's a cut 0.010. but we're going to sprinkle this over the entire tumbler. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And I'm going to spray it with Rust-Oleum 2 times clear spray paint. And then I'm going to I think I put 1 layer of Flynn Sisters Quick Coat, Fast Coat Epoxy. Oh goodness, I have the name of it down in the description. But here we are. It's been cured, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand down a little bit of the rough edges, and we'll get Strawberry Shortcake. We'll get her added to the cup. I got her the little PNG from Etsy, a seller off of Etsy, and I linked her in the description below. But we'll get this tumbler sanded down really well, place her on the cup, and then I cut out the name of the little the child's that this cup is going to, and I did an offset in white, and then I did the main lettering in red. So after I get all these added to the cup, oh, right here I am trimming off the edge, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to sand the rim so that I exposed a little bit of the stainless steel tumbler, so that when I use the epoxy, it has something to grip onto the cup with. After I get this sanded down, the rim sanded down, I'll put on my decals, and then I'll take it back, and I do spray another coat of my dog. I do spray a coat of another coat of Rust-Oleum. Sorry. That way it holds down and the epoxy doesn't get under Strawberry Shortcake or the lettering. I printed Strawberry Shortcake on some sticker paper that I bought off of Amazon. And once I printed it, I took it outside and I did a light dusting of Rust-Oleum matte clear spray paint. That way the ink wouldn't move around under the epoxy. That looks so cute. If y'all have made it this far in the video, y'all be sure to go like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post up a new video. But I'm going to make sure I'm putting the name on the direct opposite end of Strawberry Shortcake. That's what I was doing. I was kind of measuring where I had her. That way I even it out. But anyways, I hope y'all are enjoying this video. as much as I enjoyed making this cute little cup. But we'll get the name on. We'll spray it with Rust-Oleum clear spray paint. We'll get 2 coats of epoxy, let it cure, and this cup is done. I do add my little logo at the bottom, but this vinyl gave me trouble, so I ended up using a silver little name logo, because this one, I guess I just didn't cut it deep enough since it's a glitter vinyl. But anyways, I did put a logo, but it's not this vinyl. I ended up putting a gray, like a silver. Here is the finished tumbler. Isn't she so cute? Oh, Leanna, I love that name. That's my daughter's middle name. But we don't capitalize the A. I really enjoyed making this cup. If y'all have any comments, if y'all have any questions, if y'all recreate this cup, please be sure to tag me in y'all's video so that I can see y'all's version. Again, thank y'all for stopping by my channel. Y'all be sure to catch me on my other social media pages. Bye.